to my YouTube channel. So as you can see by the title, today we're gonna be doing a cleaning vlog. So today I'm gonna be spring cleaning my room, and remember, I haven't cleaned my room again for quite a couple of a long time. So it's been long since I've cleaned my room, so we're gonna be doing that today. And anything else that you see is just gonna be extra because this vlog is mainly for cleaning. So let's get into it. Morning, 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 monkey, monkey, morning, monkey, monkey. Guys, I'm stuck between starting with the drawers or with the wardrobe because both of them are such a lot of work. So to be honest, I don't know, but yeah, we'll just see. Maybe I should start with the drawers and then the wardrobe because it's better that way. But let's get into it. I tried by all means to tidy up this drawer. This is the messiest drawer in the room. And anyone who has an iPhone 11 Pro Max and wants this thingy, please send me a message on TikTok. And this is the baby's drawer. This is where I put my underwears and socks and hats. This is the first drawer that I opened. So guys, she got this from her Auntie Naya, and she got this from her granny from that side, and this also from her granny from that side. Wow! cleaning. I'm gonna make food, and then I have emails to send, and I feel my mood depreciating, whatever that word is. It just popped in, and I have flu, whatever that you want to call it, because I don't know what's wrong with me, and I'm just going through, I don't know if I should say a lot or whatever, but I'm just going through something, you know. And yeah, man, I'm gonna be fine. I'm gonna pick up, and yeah.
Baby monkey, it's bath time.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Wow, wow. Monkey, monkey. Hi, monkey, monkey. Hi, monkey, monkey. Say, this is my outfit of the day. Tell them. Say, this is my OOTD. Tell them, not me. I know what's your outfit because I chose it. Say hi, monkey, monkey. Tell them there. What? There, Baba. Baby, wow, look. Hi. You don't want. Yeah, man. Are you done? Okay. Guys, I made our milk, but now my problem is the Tommy TP bottles. What's going on, my dear? Now I have an e-bottle. What's wrong? Tommy TP, my dear, when I catch you, it's not gonna be nice. Tell them. Say, Tommy TP, my dear, when I catch you. Tell them, boo boo. Tell them. No. No. So guys, Marakadi came and she's now looking after baby monkey while I take a quick bath. And yeah, I'll speak to you guys after that. The milk I made it for Mawala. Guys, I'm 4 months. What am I saying? I am almost 2 months with my hair. Look at this. Is this impressive? No, and I'm gonna change it as soon as I get money. But yeah, it's not a big problem. So we just got back from a very long walk and she was asleep. Hi. Morning. She's very sleepy. We went for a walk almost for 2 hours or 1 hour 30 minutes because I had to clear my head, and yeah, it was therapeutic. Now I'm thirsty. I need water. So yeah, man. Hi, say hi. See, I'm from a walk. I would tell them. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi, monkey, monkey. Today she was cooperating in the baby carrier because I don't know why, but she was being a good girl, right? Yeah, she was being a good girl. Anyways, we're gonna have dinner and then we're gonna head back to sleeping. And then after dinner, I'm gonna close off the video. So, see you guys later. Jalo. Guys, this is a very nice song, trust me. It's a very nice song. Anyways, we've come to the end of the vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We are on our way to 1,000 followers, and it's taking a bit too long now, guys. What are you doing? It's taking a bit too long, and we need to move on. Okay, we need to move on and get that 1,000 subscribers. Come on, guys, come on. Okay, and yeah, man, thank you for 15k followers on TikTok. And yeah, we're doing so great, man. I'm proud of us, and we got this. So yeah, until the next video, positive vibes only. Bye.